Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet reindeer applique part 2. Let's see how to crochet ears.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was a basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration, and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now see, here we are done with the second round also. Now for 12 continuous stitches, we will make 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Okay, for 12 continuous stitches, we will make 12 half double crochet stitches in 1/2 double crochet stitch in each stitch using back loop of each stitch. Now here we are done with our 12 half double crochet stitches. See, okay, now we will make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, last one is remaining. There we are done with our 12 half double crochet stitches, and now we make a chain crochet stitch and we turn our work. Now see, our pattern starts. Now from here onwards, in every line same pattern is going to take place. We will skip first stitch. This first stitch we will skip, and we will start making half double crochet stitch, 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. From second stitch you have to skip first and second last stitch of every single row. First and second last stitch you have to skip, and rest all stitches make 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, now here we have reached till end. Now we will skip this second last stitch. We will skip this second last stitch, and in last stitch we will make our half double crochet stitch. So this pattern is going to be for all rows. We will skip first and second last stitch in each stitch, and in each row, sorry, and we will make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. And when we come to the end of the row, we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. And again we will start by skipping first stitch. We will go on making one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch until again we skip our second last stitch, and then last stitch, and when last stitch is done, we make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. So this we are going to repeat till the time we are left with one single stitch. Then in last stitch we will just make one chain crochet stitch and done. Our work is done. Now for last round, first we will join a new yarn. To join new yarn, just insert your needle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a chain crochet stitch. Then we go on making one slip stitch in each single stitch using top loop or outer loop of every stitch. Okay, so we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch using top loop or outer loop of every single stitch, and all around the work we will just make a black border, one slip stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this and show you. So this is one ear. Following same pattern you have to make one more. and then our 2 ears are ready. I'll just show you final piece. Now this is how our crochet ears look like. Crochet nose. As usual, we start with a slip knot. Needle we are using is of 3.5 mm. After slip knot, make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with a slip stitch. Here we make a slip stitch. Now because of this we get a very small ring. Can you see see the small ring we are getting? Now we are going to make 21 double crochet stitches. Those stitches we are making around this ring. Okay, and how we are going to do this, I'll just show you. First, yarn over, insert your needle inside that ring. Yeah, inside that ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So in similar fashion you are going to make 21 double crochet stitches. I'll just show you. Now see, here we are done with our 21 double crochet stitches. Now we join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So our circle is complete, and following same pattern we need to make one more circle that is in red color. Okay, now first we complete our red color circle. First that little open end yarn, yeah, we need to pull it so that middle gap is completely packed, and it's like a solid circle. We don't have any gap in between. Now we just make one slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of every stitch. One slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of every stitch. All around we are going to do same. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now see, this is how a red circle look like. Now we will work on light brown circle. Now in light brown circle we are going to make one more round. We will be making 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. So just remember, we are making 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Here we are done with our second round also. So this is how it looks. Now we will join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we go. Now we go for the third round. In third round we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. In third round we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. After completing third round, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now for the last round, we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. Now just keep red circle on this light brown circle. We need to stitch this on whatever applique you are making, and down we can make either smile, either black smile or like. Now this is how we assemble our reindeer for Christmas. This is a Christmas crochet, so Christmas hat and all will come. As this is the second part, in first part we have got a tutorial for face applique and how to make that face structure and those rosy cheeks. In second part you got tutorial for ears and nose. In third part you will get tutorial for antlers, reindeer cap and eyes. Thank you. If you have liked the video, please let me know. If you have any issues, let me know. If you have liked the video, like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, so please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.